So we have new dressing gowns donated by the lovely people of Marrickville Pay It Forward. That little butt there with the pink toes, the pinky orange toes, that is Fidget. Fidget loves pockets. Let me see. If you've got a penis, you must be Galileo. Nope. So I suspect, let me have a look at your toes then. Ah, purple toes, that is Fandango. We have a little boy in there, that's Galileo. And there's one missing, at least there was one missing. Somebody's discovered there's more than one side to a dressing gown. It's Fandango. You gonna do flappies for us all, sweetie? Flappies? Have you dropped your dummy already?
Hey, Fanny.
Fandango, where are you going? There isn't anywhere. It's like Mount Everest above you. Where's your dummy? Oh, who cares where your dummy is? You don't care. Look at that. These are push-ups, not even press-ups. These are push-ups. I don't think she's admitted defeat. I think she's just exploring other options, aren't you, sweetheart? You gonna do flappies for me? Now that is adorable. And that's Moosh behind, and she's doing flappies behind because she can. And that's Fidget in the pocket because she's a slothful little sweetheart and always has a nap after her feed. And for a change, Galileo hasn't got out of his pocket. He must be tired. What a rascal.